Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Voice Changer in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. To use a voice changer for free in Roblox, first close the Roblox game and open an internet browser. In the search bar, type VoiceMod and open the official website, voicemod.net. Click on Download for free. This works on both Windows and Mac computers. Once the download starts, open the installer from your Downloads folder and follow the installation steps. Accept the terms, continue through the setup, and click Install. When the installation is complete, open VoiceMod and select Get Started. Sign in to your VoiceMod account, then choose your microphone from the Microphone drop-down menu. Next, select your headphones or speakers from the output list and continue. After setup, click on Voices from the top menu. Here, you will see multiple free voice effects available to use. Now, open the Roblox app and join any game that supports voice chat. Click the Roblox icon, open Settings, and scroll to Input Device. Set the microphone to VoiceMod microphone. Exit Settings and start speaking. Your selected voice effect will now be applied in Roblox voice chat. So that's basically how you can use Voice Changer in Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks!